Hello.
Morning.
Hi. Good morning. How are you? I'm so sorry for
No
the
problem, bhai.
first. थोड़ा सा. Can I mic you up? Yes.
हाँ ठीक है. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहा हूँ कार में.
अच्छा. ओ, मैं भी फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहा हूँ कार में. मतलब मैंने
ये ठीक है.
हाँ. ठीक है. ओके. कूल है. ठीक है. ऐसे ही ड्राइव अराउंड करेंगे. आप मुझे बता दें लेफ्ट राइट किधर भी. जैसे मुझे लग रहा है स्ट्रेट चलते रहते हैं जहाँ भी जाना है. तो
ठीक है.
let me just introduce myself. My name is Swastik. I have been into the startup industry trying to figure out how to do a startup. Can you please put the seat belt को बचता रहेगा मतलब. हाँ. तो been trying to figure out how to build startup. Tried a few times. Couldn't make it through. Figured out कि चलो अब लोगों से बात करके पता चलेगा. तो फिर I was like अगर मुझे फेलियर आया है तो ऐसा फेलियर या नहीं कर पाया तो ऐसे बहुत लोगों में डू इट. तो फिर हाउ अबाउट आई स्टार्ट टॉकिंग, रिकॉर्डिंग, डॉक्यूमेंटिंग एंड पुटिंग इट आउट. राइट. सो दैट इज द ओवरऑल सिनेरियो. सो दैट्स अ लिटिल अबाउट माई सेल्फ. क्या आप कैन यू टेल मी अ लिटिल अबाउट योर सेल्फ, वेयर यू फ्रॉम, एंड हम थोड़ा डिटेल में जाएंगे ऑफ कि आप कहाँ से आए, कैसे बना. फिर विल टॉक अबाउट वीडियो पिक्स लिटिल लेटर. So, yeah.
I come from a town called Belgaum. Belgaum is basically
Border of Maharashtra.
sandwiched between Bombay and Bangalore, equidistant 500 km from each city. And yeah, as you said, the border tensions have been there since I think my great grandfather was born. So I come from there, and we have been fortunate enough that our forefathers started family business in 1860, and that ran generations. So they had like an A to Z shop, like under one roof you get everything. And then when their kids grew up, they separated, each one got their share in theirs. So there was footwear, there was gifting, there was arms and ammunitions, there was tobacco, there was personal care, there was foods and beverages. So all of these businesses were there where individuals got, they got like each one of the family got like this is your share, this is your share. So what came in under my grandfather and my father's share was distribution for ITC Limited.
Okay.
And previously what used to happen is ITC launched in India in 1916, but prior to that it was British American Tobacco. Started in 1860, went up to 1916, and then ITC came in, and then we came under the umbrella of ITC. And as you know, ITC till around mid 2000s was roughly only a tobacco manufacturer, and then later on ventured into foods, personal care, paper craft, and other divisions. So fortunately enough, again for me, when I joined my father in business, I joined in at the peak time where ITC was just trying to figure out the growth of their foods and personal care business, apart from tobacco, which obviously is a no-brainer because they've been industry leaders in that. So I got to see the brand growth from grounds level. So basically jo Philip Kotler and all those kind of large books that we've read, it's all good to read in theory, but on ground realities you only figure out once you have stepped into the boots and you are actually there in the market trying to figure out what to do and what not to do.
And when you're talking about brand growth, can you specify what kind of brands, like Sunfeast and all?
Sunfeast, because Sunfeast was a category where they had around say 20 SKUs.
Yeah.
Now they've got more than maybe 200, 300, 400 SKUs.
Yeah.
And under Sunfeast it was only biscuits. Then they came up with Yippee as a competitor for Maggie.
Yeah.
Then there was in apna chips division which had got Bingo. And then they had Sunfish mein they had a separate division called cookies also. Then there was Candyman for confectionery jars placed at pawn shops. And there was a whole lot of things. So we were handling roughly around 900 to 1000 SKUs at that time. Including personal care. Personal care was a very niche, very niche thing. Foods was at least 1 year into business when I joined. Personal care was just introduced. When I joined, it was like just a month. Yeah. And and there was a team of around 110 people, which my dad was managing alone at that point of time. And I joined hands with him, and the first day I joined into business, he was like, "Okay, fine. What are you doing sitting over here? Take a cycle, go in the market with the salesperson who sells cigarettes, go and experience what he does, and talk to the retailers, try to figure out their pain points, their happy points, what's driving them to take more stock and build business and all that." So it was like it's not a proper Seth Saab feeling, which I expected. It was like, boss, you are an employee, you're going to be treated as an employee. So you come here, you're not going to be seated in the cabin with us. You're just going to go out in the market at least for a couple of months, and then because we had a size to cover, area size of around 100 kilometers north, south, east, west. So they had certain villages also where we had a stockist point where stock used to go and he used to distribute in the village and all that. So all this happened for roughly around 8-9 years. I was in the business. By the time we left, we were clocking around $12.5 million per year.
Interesting. Just from the area of Belgaum ka?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And when I joined, I think we were clocking somewhere around, I think $5.5 or $6 million.
Okay.
So we saw a double-digit growth in the next 8 years till I was there.
Yeah.
Not contributing, only saying that I did it, but there were certain other factors also. But after around a year or so, then I started.
But this was what years? Like roughly like 90s?
2007 to roughly 2016.
Roughly 2007 to 16. Okay, interesting.
So I started, after a year and so, I started taking over complete management and all that. And dad used to be more at the side where he used to lead into planning and forecasting and all that. And I was more into on-ground realities, managing the whole team, understanding what they are doing, where they are going wrong, talking to company people, where dad was also involved in major decision making. But
largely ऐसे ही होता ही है business families में. I've seen कि वो पहले overlook करने लगते हैं.
This basically gave me a complete shock about what we've been taught in schools and colleges. जो schools and colleges में सिखाते हैं upper level पे marketing, how the funnel works and all that, it's all good to read in books.
Yeah.
But on ground reality gave me a completely rude shock that, boss, this is something that no one has taught you, and I'm thankful and grateful that I joined my father, so that because he had that experience of being into business right from the age of 15, because he lost his father when he was 15. So he had to take over business and side by side do his college also. So he was already into business for roughly around 40 years when I joined. So वो पूरा experience मेरे को आया.
KT non-transfer हो गया बढ़िया.
And I was thankful, and I didn't go for an MBA because I had done my graduation. I said, let's take a plunge into business, and later on we'll see if we need to do an MBA. But while I was into the business, I understood that, boss, no MBA is going to give me this kind of experience, that on ground reality. For a degree it's okay, for some pedigree it will be nice, but these realities probably no one's going to teach me. And everyone's been telling me that if you have a family business set, तो उसी को join कर लो, and you'll be happy learning all the things. So this happened while I was into the business. That was a time when Bangalore startup ecosystem started booming with the Flipkarts. The world started coming in. I used to see the ads. And Flipkart, if you remember, that first ad was something, I actually don't remember the exact framing of that ad, but वो books दिखाते थे and buy from Flipkart. It all started like how Amazon had started. I was wondering क्या है यार ये Flipkart है क्या चीज़, and then suddenly the whole ecosystem started building and all that, and the thought came to me कि यार I also want to go and kind of experience technology, what is happening and what's not happening and all that. So I said, okay, let's take a plunge. Came into the corporate world. where I used to sit on the boss's chair. Now there's someone else going to sit on me. So it's a very difficult thing to process
Yeah.
and accept that you're not going to be bossing around anymore.
Yeah.
Someone else is going to be on top of you,
Yeah.
and it's not going to be your father. So that leverage of that personal
Uh-huh.
thing also is going to go away completely.
Yeah.
He's going to be like your proper boss and all that.
Uh-huh.
What I've heard, they how bosses are. and all
Whatever
that.
ego is built is crushed, is what I also realized.
Yeah. So, I came into the corporate world, and thankfully and fortunate enough, again for me, the people who hired me in my first startup were looking for an experience that I had. I got rejected by roughly around 110 companies when I was looking for a job.
That too back then.
That too back then.
Uh-huh.
I got rejected because saying, you do not have a corporate exposure. I'm like, okay, fine.
Yeah.
My only question to them at the end of each interview was, if no one is going to give me corporate exposure, how will I have that? How will I ever have that corporate exposure?
Fair point.
So one company believed in me and they said, okay, fine, we want your style of experience that you have and we want you to join in. So that interview also, with everything and all, it took around the course of 3 to 4 months. Then I joined them. It was a India/US based startup. And thankfully enough for me, where my journey ended, it started with technology over there. So we were into again sampling business and market research and branding with technology, with AI and everything.
AI तो नहीं होगा.
नहीं AI था भाई.
तब आ गया था AI.
Yeah, AI was there, and when people were not even talking about AI, we were discussing AI. Although primarily it started with first it started with people sitting and understanding and everything. Eventually people, when they started training the machine, understanding coding and everything, then the whole database started to run. So पहले 6 महीने क्या था, it was a manual process. And then suddenly we transformed into a complete AI model and structure. So then अच्छा लगा, because what I've learned on ground reality, now I'm coming back to something which happens on top, like how brand managers do, how CMOs work, how marketing, because they were my target audience, they were my ICP in my company. Started interacting with them, started selling to them, and boss, जो ये होता है ना, Lusha and Hunter.io and all these CRM tools and all that, nothing was there at that point of time.
Got it.
And there was no direction, there was nothing. And my job, third day of my job, my CEO had landed from America. There was an Indian CEO, there was a US CEO as well. So he landed in India, and he came to the office and he called me in, like, come, we'll sit and have a chat, because I was leading the sales efforts at that time.
Okay.
So he said, come in, let's have a chat. And my Indian CEO and my immediate manager, who was the marketing kind and sales head, he came, and we all sat, and he just looked at me and he said, okay, you have 10 days. Okay, I want 5 deals to be cracked.
Interesting. Okay. And what was the worth of those, like, if I may?
No, he said, like, I want 5 paying clients. I don't care if it is 10,000 rupees or 10 lakh rupees. I want 5 paying clients.
But कितना, like, was it $1 या 100 रुपए?
नहीं, कैसा था कि at that point of time, we also had an app through which we were giving certain offers, like how if you remember, in that time, I think there was an app where you could go to any restaurant or any place and get some 50% off or 40% off. So उस type का एक app भी था. And then we were also doing sampling on behalf of certain brands, talking to consumers, getting their feedback and giving it back to the brands. So he said, I want 5 closures in the first in the next 10 days, and you gotta do it. Can you do it? First thought to me was, यार अगर ना बोल दूं तो बोलेगा यार कि it will reflect on my hiring manager also कि बॉस किसी को उठा के लाया बोलकर, and reflect on me also कि बॉस क्या चल रहा है.
वैसे भी sales and marketing तो fake it till you make it ही चलता है वहाँ.
So what's happening? And like, ठीक है. Second thought was, यार, I was looking at my immediate manager, boss, ये क्या है? You didn't tell me about all this. Like what the? So my Indian CEO just looked at me and he said, he just closed his eyes and said, कर दे. So I understood and I said, okay, fine, done. So, my CEO, I told him like, okay, fine, done. I'll get you 5 clients in the next 10 days.
हाँ.
तो ऐसा हुआ कि with that belief, so in the meantime, my manager and CEO were also fighting with him, saying कि यार शौकत, it's been his 3rd day on the job.
हाँ.
He's not even had that proper training.
हाँ.
And what are you telling him?
हाँ.
यार तो 5 क्लाइंट लाके देते 10 दिन में, टॉकिंग रबिश यार. दिस इज नॉट लाइक, यू नो, ही इज बीन इनटू द सिस्टम फॉर 2 मंथ्स एंड ऑल दैट.
आधी तो आपको केटी भी नहीं
हाँ,
मिलेगी.
और हम खुद अभी ब्रूइंग है, हम लोग खाली 5 लोग हैं कंपनी में, और तू क्या आकर बोल रहा है बोलता है. तो ये लाइक नहीं, आई वांट इट, डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट, आई वांट इट. ही मस्ट बी न्यू इनटू द सिस्टम, बट वी हैव बीन ऑलरेडी रनिंग दिस फ्रॉम क्वाइट सम टाइम एंड आई वांट क्लाइंट्स टू स्टार्ट कमिंग इन नाउ. लाइक ओके चलो. So ठीक है, then after the meeting we sat and we charted out a plan and like okay कर लेंगे, and within the next 15 days I got him 7 clients.
Oh, interesting.
I got him those 7 clients and he's like, I think I underestimated you. I should have told you get 10 clients in 10 days. Huh? So next time your next month target will be 15 clients in 30 days. ठीक है, challenge accepted. And then he came in the evening and he tapped on my back saying that yaar, that was just a joke, but you've proven what you were hired for. So keep up and keep doing the good work and start getting in more clients and all that, and start also managing these clients so that they stay with us, they don't go away. तो तेरे को सब कुछ करना है अभी. Like okay, fine, no problem. And we started with that and my experience started all over there. इनके clients के number कहाँ से लाऊं? How do I meet them? So all those tricks in the bag wherein you deliberately go outside their office hours, go at 6 o'clock in the evening, deliberately try to bump into them. Like अरे यार मैं इधर से पास हो रहा था. I just thought, you know, coffee पी के जाएंगे and see. I bumped into you. So how are you? What's happening? All those old tricks, and then call their borderline numbers. Try to trick the receptionist to connect me to the landline over there and all, because there was no way of getting a mobile number of a person without you having spoken to them the first time. Very difficult.
Yes.
So all those tricks and everything, and then those emails also. There was no AI to tell you what email to write. You had to give it a complete thought and your creativity had to come in. And then of course subject lines.
Each email is like a proper pitch.
I never knew yaar a certain subject line would make your email land in a spam box of a person. ये सब पता नहीं था हमारे को. And there was no one to tell us also कि ये सब होता है. So we started figuring out everything, and then it was a complete process of understanding. So I'm thankful that no one gave me those AI tools and I got to experience this firsthand. I got to develop my creativity skills and understand what takes and what goes and what happens. ये हुआ, and then I started. I stayed there for roughly around 3.5-4 years, and then I moved on different companies. But my target audiences always remained the same. So wherever I joined in whichever company, I was dealing with the CMOs and CMIs of the world. CMI is basically consumer insights manager. So for market research and other things.
So मेरा एक क्वेश्चन जो पूरा इस कहानी को सुनने के बाद बनता है वो ये है कि यूजुअली मैंने ऐसा देखा है, और क्योंकि let's say I'm from Lucknow, right? So I have had friends and I have friends who have their family businesses. They don't leave the city. They never leave. मतलब they will leave to study,
Correct.
to go out.
Correct.
They will live there, whatever that life is, and then they'll come back.
Correct.
And because that's a very good comfort zone. Right. वो comfort zone को break करके, पहले तो वो एक comfort zone break करना कि अब मुझे किसी के अंडर काम करना पड़ेगा.
Correct.
जो शायद एक ऐसा आदमी है जिसके लिए मेरी रिस्पेक्ट हो ना हो मुझे नहीं पता.
बराबर.
Second, salary as a concept.
Yeah.
Right. Like because for people who come from salaried category, उनके लिए बिजनेस में ब्रेक करने की दिक्कत ये होती है कि उनको नहीं समझ में आता कि अगर सैलरी नहीं आएगी तो घर कैसे चलेगा या कल क्या होगा. वो एंजाइटी इज वेरी हाई.
करेक्ट.
राइट. एंड उसी वजह से लॉट ऑफ पीपल मे और मे नॉट इवन एवर ब्रेक इनटू लेट्स से स्टार्टअप्स. राइट. फॉर यू इट्स रिवर्स. कि आपने पहले ब्रेक किया, लाइक कि बिजनेस किया, और उसके बाद ये लाइक कि अब मुझे और let's say sort of I need to top my game.
Correct.
So you got out of your comfort zone, one. Second, like you went into the game जहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा uncomfort होता है, right? Like sales, according to me, in fact, for the world, जितना भी अभी भी जैसे AI आ गया है, दुनिया भर की चीजें आ गई हैं, right? अगर आपको एक सेल्स का बंदा हायर करना है तो आपकी वाट लग जाती है,
बराबर,
बिकॉज वहां पे अभी भी मतलब इट्स अ जॉब दैट इज जेन्युइनली लुक डाउन अपॉन, लाइक कि कुछ भी कर लो, मार्केटिंग तक तुम ठीक हो, anything that has a little of sales also, or to have a conversation is generally. So how did you break these two thoughts? Like मेरा बस ये है कि how do you break these thoughts in your head also?
see, interaction, I used to love interacting with people from the beginning.
हाँ
business में था for me, a delivery boy
हाँ
sitting in an auto rickshaw and going, I used to put hand on his shoulders also and talk to him.
हाँ
So I didn't have that ego or anything from before. मेरे को कोई भी चलता था.
हाँ
For me, everyone was a friend.
हाँ
I didn't have those issues.
हाँ
So talking and conversing with anyone was always like, no, ठीक है, I'm okay.
हाँ
There's no problem. Which is the first part of being into a sales job, because
yeah
you got to be talking to a CEO also, and you got to be talking to a peon also over there.
yeah
So that was one thing which I never had a problem with, thankfully.
Huh.
Second is, as you said, coming from business, getting into pure sales and getting into a salaried environment, it was a new thing for me. And frankly speaking, it was is a very delicate situation, because I was married at that point of time,
हाँ
and obviously
हाँ
whoever had given their daughter to me in my hand as
हाँ
a wife
हाँ
had seen our business, has seen our lifestyle, family, and everything,
exactly
and given their daughter.
हाँ
And suddenly I'm going to tell them, Papa or Uncle, who my father-in-law would be,
हाँ
like, I am closing down business and I'm going to be doing a job now.
job no
He's like, beta, you didn't tell me this while you were marrying my daughter.
हाँ
So, although they were quite supportive of that,
हाँ
and they did help me also in getting connected to people,
हाँ
giving interviews and all that.
हाँ
But still, थोड़ा तो रहता ही है ना यार कि यार क्यों बिजनेस बंद कर रहे हो?
exactly
It's a good thing. Why do you want to leave here?
हाँ
But I had that कि यार no, I need to go out. See, it was always there in the blood कि I'm gonna come back to entrepreneurship.
हाँ
I'm gonna go out there, learn technologies, develop contacts, make friends, learn new things, and then bring out something and come up with a company of my own. Oh, that was always there. So that was the thought when I jumped into it, saying कि बस एक 6-7 साल 8 साल जो भी है, we'll work,
हाँ
work my ass out, develop those contacts, develop those understandings, and then come up with a business of my own. So वो thought process से I jumped into this.
got
Okay,
it
boss, I want to do business, but I need to learn technology
Fair.
before I come into it.
fair so अब आ जाते हैं the current product you are building, right?
Right.
So I've gone through, let's say, the website वगैरह वगैरह, but people who would be watching videos may not get so much time, right? Like
Right.
they might not go to the website, right? So first of all, मेरा like कोई भी product बनता है तो किसी एक strong insight पे ही बनता है,
Correct.
right? Like there would
Correct.
be some sort of insight you would have seen
Correct.
and you would have thought कि यार ये insight strong है,
Correct.
फिर इस पे you would have gone across. And तो let's start with कि वो insight क्या निकला, and उस insight से how did you reach to the product, and then what is the product and what are you doing about it,
Sure.
वगैरह वगैरह.
Sure.
हाँ.
So coming back to our previous conversation, when I was telling you, my target clients and target faces always remained the same. I
हाँ
was talking to brand managers, CMOs, and CMIs, consumer insights managers and market research people.
हाँ
So I was talking to the same set of people, the same set of faces for roughly around 8 years when I was into startups.
हाँ
So thankfully enough for me, I developed a relationship with them in such a way
हाँ
that whenever I used to change my jobs also,
हाँ
I used to always keep them updated.
हाँ
And वो एक friendly relationship बन गया था उनके साथ. It was not only about seller and buyer.
हाँ
It was about Atik चल चाय पे बैठते हैं. Atik,
हाँ.
let's go out, let's have food sometime and
Yeah.
stuff like that.
हाँ
So they used to always ask me whenever new company I used to go to कि ले अब क्या बेच रहा है?
हाँ
What is it that you're selling? क्या चल रहा है? Where have you joined?
हाँ
What are you doing and all that?
हाँ
So there was always like, यार, he's always been into AI. He's doing some different companies and he's selling.
हाँ
So when I used to sit with them, I used to always ask them, "Ke boss, what is missing in your life right now?
हाँ.
From business perspective, what is stopping you from achieving your KRA or your goal?
हाँ.
क्या stop कर रहा है? I mean, obviously, I know what we've been serving you,
Hmm.
and I know what other competitors are also serving you, because you know that relationship is there. So we discuss
हाँ.
कि ये इसके पास से ये service ले रहा हूँ, आपके पास से ये ले रहा हूँ, and that is how we come up with our charts and graphs and all that.
हाँ.
So we're like, what is missing? What is missing? And then one fine day when I met this one gentleman called Venki Sharma,
हाँ.
who's also my advisor right now, one of my advisors in my company.
हाँ.
He was with Disney Star at that time.
Okay.
And this is about 2019.
हाँ.
I'm talking about 2019.
हाँ.
I think 2019 December, 2020 early Jan.
हाँ.
So he, when I wrote to him from my current company where I was in,
हाँ.
he said, come to Bombay, we'll meet, and you know, this is very interesting, I'd like to meet you, Volker.
हाँ.
So when I went, his immediate subordinate came in, he welcomed us, and he said that Venki is in a meeting, he'll come in 5-10 minutes.
ठीक है.
So before Venki joined in, he said, the boss, simple hai.
हाँ.
You have a tool
हाँ.
which can help me understand little bit about video ecosystem
हाँ.
in the market.
हाँ.
So which is why
हाँ.
I have accepted, and Venki has accepted to meet you.
हाँ.
Because see, this is a 25-30 floor building over here.
हाँ.
We have a social media team that can monitor roughly around 150 to 200 million social media conversations that are happening daily.
हाँ.
So we don't need text listening and all that.
हाँ.
You are doing something different with this company, so we want to meet you, and we came. And at that time, the offering was, you know, basically we used to give them an app wherein they could survey people and understand in video responses what people are talking about their brand, shows, etc.
Got it.
etc.
हाँ.
So this was like a kind of a understanding in video for about
हाँ.
what people are talking about them.
हाँ.
So he said that is why we have agreed to meet you. So that meeting started, and he said, "Ke boss, text is kind of becoming obsolete.
हाँ.
Video is something where the world is going.
हाँ.
So we are looking for tools that can help us gather feedback in video and understand video. Because when I tell my team कि यार ये video को understand करके बोलो कि what people are talking, they said it's not possible humanly because it's huge in length,
हाँ.
size varies, there's a lot of things that are being topic.
बहुत सारे variables
बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स आ जाते हैं उसमें.
हाँ.
सब चीज अंडरस्टैंड करना बहुत मुश्किल है, हम नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ.
तो आपका टूल बताओ. And at that time he was telling me like we want a tool that could replace social listening completely, and that would make it video listening, and you know what is because it's all about video these days. Text में हो गया है, अभी जो होना था हो गया. So whenever I used to meet him and his subordinate, the same question used to come up कि यार ये solve करो industry को, यार ये industry को completely solve करो. To meet people from ITC, Unilever, I had clients from other companies, Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra. Everyone had the same itch. Okay, boss, we need to solve this whole video ecosystem.
Yes.
And in the meantime, TikTok came up with shorts.
Okay. So this is back in 2020.
Early Jan.
Before TikTok got bad. I was.
TikTok came in and I joined TikTok. I was there in
joined TikTok.
I was there in TikTok for roughly around a year before it completely had to move out of India. I was there in TikTok for around a year, and I started understanding short form videos as well. पहला long form videos
because TikTok actually revolutionized the world.
Yes.
Like to whatever
Yes.
reason it may
Yes.
be in India for Instagram.
Frankly speaking, no one has reached their level till today.
Agreed. But वही है कि वो उन्होंने जो कर दिया चेंज, वो फिर उसके बाद कभी वापस नहीं आए. Like it's like we have gone in that direction only. TikTok, ideally, like Instagram Reels,
everything came based TikTok only.
तो you joined TikTok.
Frankly speaking, the owner of TikTok doesn't have any Chinese origin. Just because he looks Chinese, his forefather was Chinese.
There is.
उसको एक बनाकर scapegoat बनाकर,
there are other. वो तो मतलब उसके ऊपर तो एक.
Otherwise, I don't think
बहुत
so.
अच्छा podcast है TikTok Wars करके, Business Wars का.
I know.
बहुत amazing podcast है. उसमें पता चलता है कि TikTok बेचारा scapegoat बन के.
I basically cannot tell you about internal
fair.
But if I tell you the kind of revenues TikTok was generating only from Bangalore as a sector or Karnataka as a sector and contributing to Indian economy, you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked with the amount of
Yes.
revenues that we were doing. और जितना generate हो रहा था, पागल हो जाओगे तुम number सुनकर.
So TikTok, आप TikTok
I was joined TikTok. I was there for a year.
As a?
I was leading sales for Karnataka for retail and D2C division kind of.
Got it. Okay.
D2C brands and retail I was looking at.
हाँ.
For ad sales for TikTok, and they had another product called Hello, which was Indianized for local languages and dialects and all that.
Yes.
I was leading for both.
हाँ.
So TikTok joined kiya and then started understanding short form videos also. So TikTok made long form into short form.
हाँ.
And short form became easier to understand.
हाँ.
But again, long form had its own benefits because you get to understand a lot of things from that.
Yeah.
Short form is just about, and people were majorly making those funny, humorous videos.
Yeah. Trends जो भी चल रहे
हाँ, but TikTok also had a division called as EduTalk, which was
हाँ.
about educational talks and all that, where
अच्छा.
people used to come and make you learn language, and these
Other
were all
things, yeah.
influencers who were talking about learning and education.
coming together. Got it. हाँ.
And that is from where all these people who are running, successful people who are running podcast today,
हाँ.
Raj Shamani और वो दूसरे जितने भी हैं ना लोग,
हाँ.
Khan sir भी बोलो, and
हाँ.
others also who have come in,
हाँ.
they've all come in from this EduTalk of TikTok.
Got it.
They have all started their careers over there and they've come in from there.
Oh.
And फिर वो long form में भी करते थे YouTube पे,
हाँ.
but short form was
हाँ, मतलब
obviously.
because TikTok built a जो अपन funnel की भाषा में top of the funnel बोलते हैं ना, उसने एक जितना बड़ा massive unlock किया. मेरे हिसाब से मैंने maximum products जितने देखे हैं उसमें एक
Kick-ass company to work with. If
Yeah.
I ever get a chance in future to again do that, I wouldn't mind.
हाँ.
But I'll tell you, no one ever came close to that experience that I had over there in that 1 year.
बिकॉज मेरे लिए तो बाहर से ही वो प्रोडक्ट इतना माइंड ब्लोन था. मतलब उसने जो इंडिया 3 में वीडियो एडिटिंग अनलॉक कर दी थी उस वक्त पे, राइट? लाइक देयर ऐप हैड सच अ ग्रेट एडिटिंग स्टाइल बिकॉज आई वाज अ फोटोग्राफर, वीडियोग्राफर एंड ऑल ऑफ इट. तो उस वक्त पे पीपल यूज्ड टू आस्क कि यार ये एडिट कैसे हुआ है, एंड देन दे लाइक हमने टिकटॉक पे एडिट कर डाला. और वो इतना ब्रिलियंट था. मतलब मेरे लिए कमिंग फ्रॉम लखनऊ, फिर मैं वहां से ना सीतापुर कहीं गया, कभी किसी एक विलेज जा रहा हूँ, तो वहां पे मैं देख रहा हूँ कि हैंडपंप के पास एक बंदा बैठ के टिकटॉक पे एडिट कर रहा है. और मैं ऐसे ब्लो हो गया कि मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा था कि ये एडिटिंग जो एक बहुत ही प्रीमियम ऑफ द वर्ल्ड के लिए ही थी, राइट? लाइक फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम marketing has always been for the premium of the world, right? People who come from let's say India to India 3 may not get that experience. वो कर रहे हैं हम. तो मेरे लिए बहुत mind blowing product था वो. But yeah, so फिर वहाँ से
then once I had to leave TikTok because the government banned them and they had to leave the country. I joined in one of my old colleagues and he said कि यार जब तक तेरे को कहीं और नहीं मिलता, I have started this startup. And because of your past experience, I know you as a good sales guy, I want you to come in and help me build this.
Got it.
And if you feel that you do not like my product, या जब तक है, till then you do not get any other job in the industry. You come and be with me and help me grow this. And अगर आपको लगता है कि भाई नहीं मेरे को नया जॉब मिल रहा है, चल मैं निकलता हूँ, तो मेरे को बता दे and you leave. No hard feelings, nothing. I'm giving you an offer because I know you, I know your skills and capabilities. Come and join me. So I said, okay, fine. कुछ मिल रहा नहीं था तभी, so I said, चलो, let me join over here until as I figure out what needs to be done and where I need to join and all that.
Fair.
So I joined them. I was there for around roughly 2 years. They had a Zoom-like tool which could conduct interviews and immediately kind of give you AI written summaries of everything.
Got it.
So I was selling that. Again, ICP was the same. Same CMOs, CMIs, selling to the same people. And then again, the interaction used to go like, यार वो tool जो हम लोग तेरे को बोलते हैं वो आज भी missing है साला. And nothing that has come up. And you know, there are tools wherein companies take that data from us. They run it at their backend, and they come back after a week or 10 days and tell us, boss, this is your report. There is no tool where I can do it by myself. सामने कुछ चाहिए मेरे को. It's going to be a SaaS-like platform where I take a subscription of your platform, and I myself am sitting and I'm doing this because nothing better than looking at it and getting all your interactions data live in
हाँ.
front of you.
हाँ.
So that is when I contacted one of my old colleagues from my first company
हाँ.
and I told him कि यार ये पता है तेरे को हम लोग बात करते थे इसके बारे में ये वो इसमें आज भी मार्केट में ना इसका जगह है एंड पीपल
मतलब ये प्रॉब्लम एग्जिस्ट कर रही है,
प्रॉब्लम एग्जिस्ट कर रही है, पीपल आर आस्किंग फॉर इट.
हाँ.
से ठीक है यार मेरे को थोड़ा सा दिमाग लड़ाने दे एंड लेट मी फिगर आउट व्हाट नीड्स टू बी डन. नाउ दिस फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन although roughly around 8-10 years elder to me in age, he is the person who started cinema advertising in India.
Oh. And when you say
This is in 90s or something.
हाँ, are you talking about advertising inside the film वाला cinema?
Yeah, inside on those screens in cinema.
Okay. So जब आप जाते हो वहाँ पे तो जो
हाँ, जो ads play करते हैं
हाँ.
before the film, mid
हाँ.
film and all that.
हाँ.
He's the person who brought cinema advertising into India and started it over here.
हाँ.
And then he's worked with the larger media agencies and everyone like Group M, IPG and all that.
Got
He
it.
sold also to them. 2 of his companies
हाँ.
he sold to IPG and Group M.
Interesting. हाँ.
Oh, he's been an entrepreneur. He's done everything in his life.
हाँ.
So वो वाला मेरे को ये figure out करने थे because I and he are not from technical background at all.
Fair.
So we cannot develop anything. तो developer लगेगा.
हाँ.
Who will come on board as a major CTO या freelancer को ले लेंगे बना लेंगे and then we'll see how to do that
हाँ.
बोलकर.
हाँ.
So he said let me figure out. He had a connection in Gujarat. He went and met him and then he called me over there and we met this person
हाँ.
called Naman who's my CTO right now.
हाँ.
And we
From Gujarat?
Yeah, from Gujarat.
Oh, not from Bangalore.
Not
Usually
from Bangalore.
ये CTO की पूरी जो मैंने
नहीं,
देखी है
नहीं,
मार्केट
नहीं,
वो यूजुअली बैंगलोर से ही निकलती
वो
है.
तभी अपना
Largely.
फ्रीलांसर खुद का बिजनेस चला रहा था एंड वी
अच्छा.
मेट हिम एंड के बस ये करना है.
हाँ.
This is our vision and this is our thought process. At that time the thought process was very simple.
हाँ.
Make a platform where people can come and upload any video,
हाँ.
any content
हाँ.
and get immediate understanding of what's happening in that content.
Got it.
So
ठीक.
आएगा बंदा, the user journey is like they come, they log in, they upload a video,
हाँ.
video gets processed
हाँ.
and from backend एक report generate होता है talking about
हाँ.
basically कि those videos are divided into different parts like
हाँ.
if it is an educational video
हाँ.
उसका report का template अलग रहेगा.
हाँ.
कोई feedback दे रहा है YouTube पे review कर रहा है उसका template अलग रहेगा because obviously the person looking at the report would want a report to be in proper style.
Got it.
So we had an understanding of how marketers perspective is, how they look at it and everything.
Yes.
Started developing the product.
हाँ.
प्रोडक्ट डेवलप होना शुरू हुआ. प्रोडक्ट एक स्टेज पे पहुंच गया वेरिन एक बेसिक पूरा बन गया एंड इट वाज अ वेरी काइंड ऑफ टुडे आई वुड से चाइल्डिश
हैकी.
हाँ
पर पहला
बना
प्रोडक्ट
दिया.
तो हमेशा हैकी निकलता है ना.
तो वो बन गया
हाँ.
एंड चलो इसको कुछ ट्राई करते हैं बोलकर तो जो पुराने क्लाइंट्स थे उनके पास लेकर गए एंड टोल्ड देम यार help us design this better, become our design partners, give us feedback, we want you to use it. कोई पैसा नहीं, कुछ चार्जेस नहीं, आप यूज करो बिंदास एंड टेल अस व्हाट कैन बी इम्प्रूव्ड, वेयर वी आर लैकिंग, व्हाट नीड्स टू गो राइट, बिकॉज वी हैव कम विद अ प्रोडक्ट व्हिच यू हैव ऑलवेज बीन टेलिंग कि यार ये लैकिंग है मार्केट में एंड गिव अस समथिंग लाइक दिस. सो दैट जर्नी स्टार्टेड एंड दैट आल्सो लेड अस टू started training our AI models with video content.
Okay, and this is back in
2024.
अच्छा, okay, around 2 साल पहले.
2024.
AI काफी मार्केट में
वो LLM models आ गए थे.
Okay.
But for us, it was like we are not going to be letting our data go on to public platforms to train their LLMs. हमारा डेटा जो है we will train it internally, so we will take for text obviously we didn't want to invest too much and break our head. Text LLMs were already there, so we took GPT and started training our models on text, but what we were doing is we were locally hosting on our server.
Got it.
So that data leakage नहीं होगा.
Also videos पे actually privacy के बहुत concern आ जाते हैं.
And videos का क्या है कि basically there were no and still there are no video models out there.
हाँ. Okay. मतलब
है थोड़े बहुत.
हाँ, मतलब ये तो मैं थोड़ा सा डिसएग्री करूंगा कि वीडियो मॉडल्स आ तो गए हैं, बट
see for the kind of video models we want,
ये कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्योंकि पूरा एआई अभी में एक जो सबसे बड़ा मिसिंग ब्लॉक रहता है वो मुझे कॉन्टेक्स्ट ही लगता है।
वीडियो जनरेशन के मॉडल्स बहुत है,
हाँ
बट वीडियो अंडरस्टैंडिंग के मॉडल्स
हाँ
are still very limited.
Okay.
And exactly the kind of space that we want to be in
हाँ
है ही नहीं,
और उतना शार्प नाइफ
है
नहीं
नहीं,
आया है।
है नहीं.
हाँ ओके
So we had to develop that on our own.
गॉट इट।
तो वो इंटरनली पूरा वीडियो का मॉडल डेवलप करे.
हाँ
टेक्स्ट तो ऑलरेडी ले रहे थे हम लोग, बट इट वाज अगेन बीइंग ट्रेन्ड ऑन आवर ओन सर्वर्स इटसेल्फ.
हाँ
So we roughly gave our servers a training of, and we still give it training. It's been trained on roughly 5 million videos till now.
ओके
5 million videos across open source platforms like YouTube, Vimeo,
हाँ.
Dailymotion, Google.
हाँ
जितने भी videos है पूरा लेकर ट्रेन किए. Now these videos have context of Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, सब जगह से लिए,
हाँ
social media से भी.
हाँ.
This has been a very rigorous manual process for us.
हाँ
So वो सब लेकर, and we've also marked them in context saying that boss, अगर if at all you're seeing an ad
हाँ
of a Dove shampoo.
हाँ
अब Dove shampoo का ad हो गया,
हाँ
and
ले लो।
what happened? No, that was I just tried to. Dove shampoo का ad हो गया.
हाँ.
Now this Dove shampoo ad is uploaded on YouTube.
हाँ.
उसमें comments क्या है नीचे?
हाँ.
उसके digital footprints कहाँ है?
हाँ.
Facebook पे क्या बात कर रहे लोग, Instagram पे क्या बात कर रहे,
But ये-
TikTok पे क्या बात कर रहे,
ओके
ये सब हमारे को मैन्युअली सर्च करना था. Comscore reports निकालो, Big Four के reports निकालो, what they are talking about the Dove ad. If there is any footprint over there.
नहीं, लेकिन ये वीडियो के अंदर का तो नहीं है, राइट? लाइक कमेंट्स तो बिकम
हाँ, but the comments and these reports
हाँ
help us understand how the ad has also performed in the market.
ओके ठीक है।
Then लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं, एक्सप्रेस क्या कर रही है इस
मतलब
ad के
आप-
बारे में.
ओके तो ये तो
This is to train the models
हाँ
on data saying that boss, this is how people are looking at this kind of an ad. So this ad stands in the top 5 category.
हाँ
So benchmarking करना है ना हमारे को,
गॉट
कि
इट।
कौन सा टाइप का ad अच्छा है
हाँ
and what is a bad ad, what is a good ad.
हाँ
So to train the model and for the model to understand what's a good and bad ad,
हाँ
you've got to give data to it. कि
गॉट
horizontal में अगर आप YouTube पे डालोगे तो चलेगा, vertical आपको TikTok पे ही डालना है. It will not work in YouTube. So those kind of things and those kind of understanding, the model needed to be trained.
हाँ
It's been a very rigorous training of a year
गॉट
to the model saying, कि boss, this is how a good ad is, this is how a bad ad is, this is how you benchmark everything, this is what a CMO looks in a report, this is what a CMI looks in a report, this is what a brand manager will look in a report, this is what a regular user just uploading a YouTube video trying to understand what the person is talking would look in the kind of report that they want. वो सारे चीज ट्रेनिंग करनी पड़ी हमारे को,
हाँ
with absolutely no kind of a crawling help, like how
हाँ.
Google crawls, because there are a lot of pages which you can't crawl,
या
there are restrictions.
या
तो ये मैनुअली पूरा
हाँ.
with different downloaders डाउनलोड करके ये सब हमारे को करना पड़ा.
हाँ
वो सब किए, and then once we had the kind of product that we understood कि we can take it to the market, I checked up Venky's profile and he had just left Sprinkler at that time.
गॉट इट।
Got to know कि ये Sprinkler से निकले and he is kind of available to have a chat and all that. I called him. I'm like, I want to meet you. I'm coming to Bombay. So and so date. Would you be happy to, catch up for some time and all that? He said, yeah, come. मिलेंगे. And then I left him a small note saying that we've developed this. Wanted to come and seek your feedback and take. Went and showed him the product. He jumped on saying कि boss, thank you. कोई तो मेरा बात सुन के कुछ तो बनाया मार्केट में.
हाँ
And this is a need of the hour.
हाँ
But now you need to narrow down.
हाँ
You can't just go out saying कि I have a platform that can understand any video and you need to narrow down. You need to make your GTM sharper, your
हाँ.
positioning sharper,
हाँ.
and you need to understand, for which I'm happy to come on board as an advisor and help you out in that. So he came on board as an advisor and he started helping us out in our GTM and narrative. And then he made us understand that boss, you can't just go out in the market and tell that boss, I have a platform that understands any video across out there in the world. Because you are not a productized platform like a GPT wherein anyone from across the world can just come in and use the platform. You are a specific platform which you have developed with a specific intention in mind. आप marketers वगैरह के पास जा रहे हो, आपका narrative ये होना चाहिए कि boss, this is a platform wherein your branded videos, your consumer feedbacks,
हाँ
can come in and sit, and we will instantly analyze that and give you a report and give you an understanding within the 2 minutes or 5 minutes of time.
got it.
So वो narrative पूरा change हुआ, shift हुआ, and then we started positioning the product differently. And then what we understood also sitting with him was if you give them a report,
हाँ
they again have to sit and go through it and take out insights from them. Change this model. So we changed that model and we brought in a agentic agent into that.
हाँ
Agentic AI को लेकर आए,
हाँ
wherein a person who uploads a video,
हाँ
like for example, I am uploading an ad,
हाँ
and once the ad is processed,
हाँ
I chat with the agent to
हाँ
whatever questions I have about that ad.
right.
I get my answers, I download those answers,
हाँ.
and I leave.
Can
and
you
I pay for
can
only
you,
that.
हाँ, but can you like can you act like some CM?
Okay, fine. I'll tell you
हाँ.
how it is actually sold.
हाँ.
Now the product is basically, it's a simple thing. I'll tell you my 30-second elevator pitch for this.
हाँ मतलब जैसे आप मान लो कि मैं
You are a CMO.
CMO
Okay,
of
I'll tell you.
सब लोग। हाँ चलिए डव का ही ले लेते हैं।
ठीक है।
ठीक है मैं शैम्पू बेचता हूँ।
How do you have any idea
हाँ
before
हाँ.
you publish your ad on
हाँ.
any platform?
हाँ.
Do you have any idea of its performance? How it's going to be?
बेसिक आईसीपी लेके जो एक स्क्रिप्ट बनती है उसके बाद हम एक प्रोडक्शन सोचते हैं ये आइडिया
Past dated history आप लोग लेते हैं,
हाँ
बट अभी का परफॉर्मेंस कैसा होगा, कितने लाइक्स एंगेजमेंट्स मिलेंगे, कितने लोग पसंद करेंगे नहीं पसंद करेंगे, वेयर वुड माय अटेंशन वेयर वुड माय पीक पॉइंट्स बी, वेयर वुड अटेंशंस ड्रॉप ऑफ, whether people will go ahead and do a purchase of the product.
हाँ
Can you take a predictive understanding of whether these things?
हाँ no
So a CMO and his creative team sits in the boardroom. They have their past dated history.
हाँ
They have their ideas. They put it into place. They are sharp minds.
हाँ
They are very sharp minds. They put it into practice and they create an ad.
हाँ
But the problem is the person who's going to be watching the ad
हाँ
is not sitting in that room.
yeah and he doesn't care, like the person doesn't care until unless it affects him, right? Like
The person who's going to be watching that ad is not sitting in the room.
yeah
So you are going to be publishing blind.
हाँ
You're going to be publishing blind.
हाँ
We will help you
हाँ
understand
हाँ
whenever your ad is in production phase, like if you've developed around 5-10 seconds of your ad
हाँ
and you want to understand what the next 20 seconds should be,
हाँ
and if at all you've already developed the ad for 30-40 seconds
हाँ
and now you want to understand which platform I should go to, where is it performing well, where the users will lose interest,
हाँ
what will trigger the purchase moment for them and everything.
हाँ
We will help you before you take it to any platform. We will help you understand.
and this is because
And
you have
optimize
so much of context and the data already with the
We will help you understand
हाँ
where to optimize, what to do,
हाँ
where your users would like it, where they will not like it,
हाँ
and how to make this better and how to get better measurable ROIs. So our platform is simple.
हाँ
Don't publish blindly.
हाँ
Vidopix helps you understand the performance and impact of your ad before you go live with it.
got it. And these are brand ads.
These are any ads.
नहीं मतलब जैसे
हाँ, brands.
ब्रांड्स के लिए मतलब मैं जैसे परफॉर्मेंस एड्स
Yes, performance.
right? तो क्या ये टूल let's say for example would also help performance ads?
Yeah, obviously. It will also tell you exactly which platform,
हाँ
TV native, social media, digital OH, which platform this ad would work better,
हाँ
where to optimize it, how to bring those tweaks. And if it is a brilliant ad, it will plainly tell you it's a brilliant ad, just go ahead with it.
got
So
it.
what happens is the platform has an understanding of how an ad performs in the market,
हाँ
what are good ads, what are bad ads.
हाँ
Now it has read your transcript,
हाँ
it has seen the visuals in your ad, it has seen what is playing. Now it understands what to do and what to tell you.
हाँ
But you also have certain context in your mind.
हाँ
So AI doesn't work like a magic tool.
yeah
If you give it more context,
हाँ
it will give you better understanding.
हाँ हाँ वो
So
तो
if at all you are feeding it context, saying that this is the ethos in mind that we have,
हाँ
these are our set of consumers, and this is what we thought while developing the ad.
हाँ
Now the AI will recalibrate and tell you
हाँ
whether your ethos, whether your target audience, whether what thoughts you have in mind are right, or you still need to optimize them. So if you give it more context, it will tell you exactly what you need to again do.
okay, but like okay, so to narrow down what Venki sir would have said, right, like
Yeah.
the GTM को narrow
Yes.
करो और niche करो.
So the GTM became from being a video company coming into ads.
हाँ, and उसमें भी is there any specific industries that you think get the let's say maximum advantage of a product like this, right? ऐसा नहीं होता है कि हर इंडस्ट्री को
See,
मतलब
for
AI के साथ
ads,
भी
for
यही है.
ads specifically,
हाँ
leave aside media and entertainment.
हाँ
Someone like a Disney, someone like a Netflix, or someone like that, because they're very content-heavy companies.
हाँ
For them, this becomes a good tool, but they might or might not use it for this purpose.
हाँ
FMCG companies,
हाँ
e-commerce,
हाँ
especially e-commerce like brands like Nykaa,
हाँ
आपका Sugar,
हाँ
Flipkarts of the world.
हाँ
These companies के लिए ना, because they for these companies it's very valuable.
okay
The ad product, wherein we are making them understand pre-publish
हाँ
how their ad is going to perform and what is the impact going to be on the minds of the consumers.
हाँ
So for such companies this is important. For media and entertainment companies,
हाँ
the narrative changes.
हाँ
What we- what we-
core
हाँ.
भी यही है ना.
हम लोग उनके लिए क्या करते हैं? See,
हाँ.
उनके क्या होता है, especially for OTTs and other platforms, there are a lot of metrics
हाँ
available and data points available to track and what's happening.
हाँ
Native TV platform,
हाँ
जहाँ पर content is run on TV,
हाँ
उधर कोई metrics नहीं होता है.
exactly.
And
largely
उधर
TRP
there
पे
are
operate हो रहा
largely
होता है.
shows are like 1000 episodes, 2000 episodes and all that,
हाँ.
right? And any episode, any show,
हाँ.
at least 50 to 60 episode need to be run before the actual show starts. Because पहला क्या होता है, protagonist and antagonist are fighting, suddenly they fall in love, engagement होती है, फिर रोका होता है, फिर जो भी होता है शादी होती है, and
हाँ.
everything, then the real story starts.
हम्म.
So there is where what they do generally is
हाँ
they reach out to their target audiences,
हाँ
take their feedback,
हाँ.
bring in and bring about changes in their storyline, plot, cast and everything. It's a very rigorous process, time consuming, there are a lot of human involvement involved, and फिर वो आता है, understanding लेना पड़ता है, तब तो उनका TRP ऊपर नीचे होते रहता है. It's like a proper
हाँ.
heart rate monitor,
Yes,
जो
yes.
मतलब आपको मतलब सलाइन पे
Yes.
है आप.
Also TRP as a metric ना मुझे बहुत vanity type लगती है.
हाँ.
उसका थोड़ा मतलब मेरा बस वही है
But
कि वो थोड़ा
their understanding is on that because it's
हाँ.
been a rating that's been going on from generations.
हाँ, लेकिन मतलब जैसे मुझे अब लगता है कि यार अपना जो वो क्योंकि बहुत ही वो आप रिग्ड कर सकते हो
Yeah,
और
yeah,
बहुत ही
yeah,
रिगेबल मेट्रिक है वो, तो
Obviously.
मैं उस पे तो इतना लाइक अगेन
But-
इसीलिए मुझे लगता है टीवी थोड़ा सा ना डेड भी हो रहा है.
But
Like,
it's still a very large market because of the rural market that is there in India. The 2-tier, 3-tier cities जो भी
वो
है.
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी ना मुझे अब जैसे लगने लगा है. जैसे मैं आपको अभी बताता हूँ, मैं लखनऊ टू बैंगलोर बाय रोड आया, ठीक है, तो मैं बाय रोड जाने का रीजन यही होता है कि मुझे शहर के अंदर जाना है
Correct.
और अगर मुझे मौका मिले तो मैं वहाँ के किसी गांव में निकल जाऊँ.
Correct.
ठीक है, तो मैं एमपी में था और मैंने भोपाल क्रॉस किया
Hmm.
और भोपाल क्रॉस करते ही एक गांव लग रहा है, मुझे नाम नहीं याद आ रहा है, बट वो मतलब मैं नीचे उतरा, मुझे पेट्रोल भराना था, तो मैं और थोड़ा अंदर चला गया कार लेके, मैं और मेरी वाइफ निकल जाते. तो मैं अंदर एक्चुअली देख रहा था, तो अब दुकानों पे एटलीस्ट सीआरटी और मॉनिटर्स जो हैं, जो सीआरटी टीवी रहते थे वो चेंज होके एलईडी पे आ गए हैं.
Hmm.
और उनका अब मैंने वहां पे जैसे जियो का डब्बा देखा
Hmm.
जो अब फाइबर नेट ही दे देता है सीधा.
बराबर.
अब उस पे चल रहा है यूट्यूब, प्रीमियम नहीं है तो ऐड भी आ रहे हैं.
नहीं, तो CTV का और एक डेफिनेशन मैं आपको बता दूं, जैसे हाउ यू ब्रॉट इट अप
हाँ.
राइट नाउ, फाइबर टीवी की वजह से CTV इज कमिंग,
हाँ.
यूट्यूब चल रहा है.
हाँ.
CTV में क्या हुआ है, when CTV came in,
हाँ.
it's not only YouTube. CTV जब आया, connected TV,
हाँ.
what it started also getting is the regular TV के जो channels थे,
हाँ.
Now you don't need cable or DTH connection to watch it.
Watch it.
It will come through internet.
Yeah. हाँ.
तो ये आना शुरू हुआ. So
हाँ.
this became another, you know, selling point for these national TV channels and all that. कि बॉस टीवी पे आपके चैनल्स आ जाएंगे. अभी आपके पास इंटरनेट है तो आप टीवी देखो. So they were also trying to push people to still watch TV instead of OTT. And people are still being pushed to watch TV also, their favorite shows, instead of going to an OTT platform. OTT है, but I'll tell you OTT का क्या है मालूम है? एक, and this is coming from the horse's mouth from the decision makers sitting at companies like Sony, Zee, and other companies where they say कि यार हम लोग एक सीजन लाते, एक शो लाते हैं, वो चलता है, उसके बाद उसकी बात नहीं होती है, खत्म हो जाता है. टीवी का जो शो चलता है ना बॉस, 3-3, 4-4 जनरेशंस बात करते हैं उसके बारे में.
हाँ, बट वो इसलिए भी है जो मुझे ऐसा समझ में आया है क्योंकि उसको चलता बहुत लंबा है. जैसे अनुपमा है. हाँ,
अनुपमा
बोला जा रहा है.
वो
तारक मेहता चला जा रहा है.
आज भी फैन फॉलोइंग ओटीटी से ज्यादा है,
बहुत ज्यादा है. मैं गुजरात गया था.
बिग बॉस के देखो कैसे चल रहा है, हर साल चलते ही रहते हैं. सो टीवी इज स्टिल अ वेरी लार्ज मीडियम.
हाँ.
एंड व्हाट ब्रांड्स आर फेसिंग अ प्रॉब्लम, एज आई वाज टेलिंग यू, ये प्रॉब्लम आ रहे हैं उनको. सो व्हाट वी हैव टोल्ड इज, सी 50-60 एपिसोड्स हो गए. हाँ. We will take those 60 episodes. Because they are copyrighted, we've not been able to train our machine on such kind of content till today. तो आपको वो हमारे को देना पड़ेगा 60 episodes, which we will train our machine on to, saying कि boss, this is a new show, इसके 60 episodes हो गए, ये आप लो, try to understand. We will train on different metrics to our models, and this is the model will understand. Post which, generally क्या होता है, every episode का shooting होता है, and then it airs. So इस आपके जो next 4-5 episodes होंगे, उसकी स्क्रिप्ट आपके पास रेडी है. Now you need to shoot it. You paste those scripts onto our platform, and we will tell you exactly what is going right and wrong in your script. This is those 50-60 episodes of learning that our machine
तो
has.
अभी like okay,
so this is an offering for TV content platforms.
Got it. So अभी current पे who has been like your like I'm assuming there would be some sort of revenue stage पे आप आ ही गए होंगे. तो उसमें like who have been your like top क्या first 2-3 clients who have started using the product?
See, currently we've had people who've been our design partners who've used this and helped us grow till now. One larger contribution has come from ITC. There's been Wipro Consumer Care, there's been Sony, there's been Zee, there's been JioStar who has used us. There have been certain brands from international markets, Oman and Dubai, also who have used us, because we have another presence over there also through different connections. So those people has helped us in getting clients from there also. And we have larger interest coming in from one of the platforms which is called as Klub Klub. It's a influencer management platform where people.
I know
Kalyan, you know?
I know Vaibhav Gupta and Kalyan Gupta.
So Kalyan and Vaibhav Gupta, my dear
very
friends
old friends.
तो वो लोग के साथ भी अपना एक larger discussion चल रहा है across the table.
अच्छा.
They've used the platform. They've seen the kind of benefit it can give. So we are having a larger discussion of a larger 3-4 year contract kind of a thing. It's already in place. तो वो चल रहा है. There are other companies also, smaller brands who have also started coming in. What has happened is, what we've started also doing it is, we started analyzing certain ads and giving free analysis of that through our LinkedIn posts. So certain brands have started noticing, and we've been very open in our analysis. If it is going right, praise them. If it is not going right, tell them how they can make it better. See, you're not here to tarnish someone's image. You're here to help them understand how they can make it better. People can sit and tear down an ad however they want, but the important thing is you make them understand how to improve it, how to make it better. That is your sweet spot. So we've been starting. We've done a creative intelligence lab also, wherein we invited a lot of people to come in and experience the platform for free. We asked them to submit their ads. We analyzed those ads live. We gave them feedback. Certain people whose ads we couldn't analyze, we gave them their chat exports and reports and all that. So that is how we are currently marketing our product because I'm bootstrapped.
हाँ.
I have not taken any funding, external funding and all.
हाँ.
So our
And
marketing.
is there a like ये मेरा एक सवाल रहता है,
हाँ.
राइट? मैंने भी बूटस्ट्रैप करके बनाने की कोशिश करी, दो मतलब आई
हाँ जी.
इन्वेस्टर्स, बट फिर वो इवेंचुअली मुझे चमका कि यार देखो धंधा बनाना है ना तो बूटस्ट्रैप करके ही। और मैं तो लाइक आई कम फ्रॉम अ फर्स्ट, जैसे मेरे पेरेंट्स दोनों गवर्नमेंट सरकारी नौकरी, तो अब वहाँ धंधे की समझ बिल्कुल नहीं होती। इनफैक्ट मैंने अपने पिताजी को धंधा उल्टा सिखा के रिटायरमेंट के बाद उनको एक थोड़ा सा सेटअप करके दिया कि आप करो, बिजी रहो, क्योंकि मेरे लिए बिजनेस इज बिजीनेस, लाइक दैट इज वेयर द वर्ड कम्स फ्रॉम, राइट? सो द कोर इज कि आपको बिजी रहना है, उसके अलावा आपको उसमें पैसे भी कमाने हैं और मल्टीपल चीजें करनी है, दैट इज ट्रू। सो बूटस्ट्रैप का क्या, लाइक हाउ डू यू लुक एट दिस एंटायर, बिकॉज अगेन बूटस्ट्रैप चलाना जितना आसान है बोलना, उससे बहुत मुश्किल है उसको
नहीं भाई
क्योंकि
bootstrap में I'll tell you the hard hitting reality of what no one talks.
हाँ.
Is basically you cannot talk about your feelings to anyone.
हाँ.
Not even your own family members.
हाँ.
While you're bootstrapping.
हाँ.
You'll have certain isolated times where you'll just sit with your head down like this.
हाँ.
You'll probably be tearing down
हाँ.
of what's happening.
हाँ.
And why am I not being able to crack this and all that. A lot of times that happens. You have the only people who you can discuss this is with your co-founders.
हाँ.
कि बस क्या चल रहा है यार, क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे,
But
क्या चल रहा है।
हाँ, मैं और डबल डाउन करता हूँ उसको। सब लोगों के जैसे जिसके अपने अपने को-फाउंडर्स होते हैं, सब को-फाउंडर्स का भी अपनी लाइफ का अलग पेस होता है।
हाँ जी, करेक्ट।
कोई मैरिड होता है, कोई नहीं
Correct.
होता है, किसी के बच्चे होते हैं, किसी के नहीं होते हैं,
Correct.
किसी के बच्चे सर्टेन एज पे होते हैं तो शायद उनको पैसे नहीं चाहिए होते हैं उतने,
करेक्ट।
किसी को चाहिए होते हैं, राइट? तो अगेन दिस इज अ लिटिल सब्जेक्टिव एज अ क्वेश्चन, बट को-फाउंडर्स मतलब विल जस्ट लाइक दिस इज वन ऑफ माय वेरी फेवरेट प्लस लाइक ट्राई टू डिबेट क्या इस पे डिस्कस करना चाह रहा हूँ मैं कि जब को-फाउंडर्स होते हैं तो हाउ डू यू डिसाइड कि, क्योंकि अब किसी एक है जिसकी जैसे लेट्स से जो थोड़ा लेट स्टेज है, इसके 2 बच्चे हैं, कोई एक है जो अभी शादी नहीं हुई, 2 लोग हो गए, अब उन्होंने कहा कि हम बूटस्ट्रैप करेंगे, आ गए वो साथ में, तो अब जिसकी शादी नहीं हुई है उसके लिए बूटस्ट्रैप करना आसान है क्योंकि उसका किराया कम है, उसका सब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज,
करेक्ट,
3 जिंदगी कम होगी ना उसकी,
करेक्ट,
उसके ऊपर 3 जिंदगी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है,
करेक्ट।
अब उस पे उसको बूटस्ट्रैप करना है तो वो कैसे फंक्शन करता है और उस केसेस में क्या होता है?
मेरे केस में सिंपल है।
हाँ.
मी एंड माय को-फाउंडर बीनू,
हाँ.
हम लोग जो है फ्रॉम माय फर्स्ट स्टार्टअप,
हाँ.
आई मीन आई जॉइंड इन 2 years प्रायर टू हिम,
हाँ.
फिर वो रिमेनिंग 1.5 year while I was there, 3.5 4 years, then he came in. So तब से दोस्ती थी, and we were always together. We worked in 3 companies together.
Okay.
3 different companies we worked together.
Almost like 5 years.
हाँ, 4-4.5 साल हम लोग काम किए साथ में.
हाँ.
And so and he's also married. He's got 2 kids. मेरी भी शादी हो गई, मेरी एक daughter है.
हाँ.
And he's seen the world, as I told you.
हाँ.
He's got around 26-27 years of experience.
हाँ.
Totally.
हाँ.
I had around 17-18 years of experience when we started.
हाँ.
तो वो देख कर आ चुके, सब कुछ कर चुके लाइफ में, एंड वी हैड अ गुड वाइब, जेनजी के टर्म में वाइब बोलते हैं ना, तो एक वाइब अच्छा था अपने बीच में, एंड व्हेनेवर वी यूज्ड टू फाइट आल्सो, एक दूसरे को गाली गलौज सब करते हम लोग, 2 दिन के बाद वी विल कम बैक टू ईच अदर, सॉरी यार तभी टेंशन में था, हो गया, चल छोड़, आगे बढ़ते हैं बोलकर। सो वी हैव दैट लेवल ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग, तो अपने लिए आसान था because we had developed that friendship and we were in connect from the past 7 years or so, like that.
Exactly.
तो उसके बेसिस पे प्लस we had the same feeling कि ये प्रोडक्ट करना है, और हम लोग हमेशा डिस्कस करते थे थोड़े चीजों के बारे में, and we worked in ad industry, we worked in market research, we worked in different, so similar industries में भी काम किए हम लोग, similar target audiences से बात किए हैं हम लोग, so हमारा nature of working, way of talking, way of interacting, same people and everything has been the same, so that was a complete match for us. वरना तो
हाँ
बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, फ्रिक्शन आता है,
मेरा ये मानना ही है कि जब लोग कहते हैं ना कि जैसे इफ आई हैव टू लुक एट लाइक जैसे ये होता है कि 9 out of 10 स्टार्टअप्स क्लोज, हाँ, तो उसमें मुझे लगता है 5-6 तो इसलिए हो जाते हैं कि
को-फाउंडर फ्रिक्शन होता है,
को-फाउंडर फ्रिक्शन मतलब अब वो फ्रिक्शन है, फंक्शनैलिटी नहीं होती, मल्टीपल चीजें आ जाती हैं बीच में, राइट? फिर मेरा आता है, मतलब मेरा उसमें ये है कि एक तो ये है प्लस 2-3 और रीजन होते हैं।
हमारे बीच में तो ऐसे झगड़े हुए हैं
हाँ
हम एक दूसरे को मेल डाल लिए कि भाई आई डोंट नॉट वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस कंपनी एनीमोर,
हाँ
आई एम प्लेजिंग यू माय शेयर्स एंड जस्ट गो, बट विद इन अ डे वी कम बैक सेइंग कि यार नहीं यार वो हो जाता है कभी कभार, छोड़ दे भूल जा,
हाँ
चल आगे बढ़ते हैं।
जब ओवर पार
हाँ।
करते हैं तब
तो ऐसे बहुत बार हुआ है,
बट
but
लेटिंग इट गो इज
क्या है
मतलब वो पार्ट ना, आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट आई थिंक मेक्स और ब्रेक्स अ लॉट, कि जो कुछ हो जाए उसके बाद हाउ इजी इट इज फॉर यू
that
टू
will only come in
हाँ
with founders who worked in industry
हाँ
and worked their asses up for at least 15-20 plus years. ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग तभी ही आएगी। अगर आप फ्रेश न्यू फाउंडर्स हो
हाँ
एंड आप बूटस्ट्रैप करना चाह रहे हो, बहुत डिफिकल्ट रहेगा। आपको फंडिंग मिल गई ना, बाद में तो यार पैसा आ रहा है,
हाँ तो
Then
आपकी
it
एक बहुत
doesn't
बड़ी
matter.
प्रॉब्लम
then it doesn't matter. Plus you have VCs also who are directing you how to take your ship to navigate your ship to your destination. तो वो एक ऊपर से बैकिंग भी रहती है and
Yes.
things are settled, तो then it becomes much more easier. वरना तो it's very difficult.
कूल। एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन फिर वाइंड अप करते हैं।
हाँ जी।
सॉरी आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस
हाँ जी।
एनीवे,
हाँ
बट ठीक है, लाइक अभी के लिए आई थिंक टू बिगिन
ठीक है।
विद दिस इज फर्स्ट। तो मेरा एक जो जाने से पहले वाला सवाल है वो ये होता है कि सो यू स्टार्टेड आउट समवन जो साइकिल पे जा रहे हैं और दुकानदारों से बात कर रहे हैं और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में मतलब बात करके किसी तरह माल रखवाने का काम कर रहे हैं,
करेक्ट।
टू वेयर यू आर
हाँ।
जहाँ पे एक एआई का प्रोडक्ट है। साइकिल तो बहुत दूर की
हाँ।
बात है, आप मेल डाल रहे होगे, बात कर रहे होगे, एवरीथिंग इज ऑन टेक, राइट? ये जो जंप है, ये जंप को व्हेन यू लुक बैक, आर यू एबल टू समहाउ कनेक्ट सम डॉट्स विद योर पास्ट कि यार क्योंकि मैंने ये कर लिया इस वजह से मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा कुछ दिखता है क्या अभी, या टू अर्ली टू आस्क है? ये भी हो सकता है।
No. I'll tell you what. Two very important people who have contributed to where I am today. Of course, God Almighty always there.
हाँ
One, my dad, because he taught me tricks and traits of business and everything.
हाँ
And मेरे को वो rigorous training दिए, मेरे को सेठ साहब जैसा, he didn't give me that kind of क्या बोलते हैं, treatment.
हाँ
He like treated me as a proper employee, salaried and all that
हाँ.
वगैरह जो भी था बराबर,
Hmm.
not like a salary of millions and lakhs and all that. Basic, तेरे को कितना खर्चा है, घर में तो खाना फ्री में मिलता है,
हाँ
रहना तो फ्री में है, पेट्रोल मैं भर के देता हूँ, तो तेरे को क्या चाहिए खर्चा, थोड़ा बहुत बेसिक जो भी है चला ले।
हाँ.
शादी के बाद ऑफ कोर्स थिंग्स चेंज एंड इट वाज अ डिफरेंट थिंग,
हाँ
बट he was very instrumental. Second was my CEO of my first startup.
द इंडियन वन और द यूएस वन?
बोथ US one, क्योंकि वो आई टोल्ड यू ना पहले, तीसरे दिन ही मेरे को डाल दिया लाइन पे कि भाई ये करना है तेरे को
हाँ,
बोलकर,
हाँ.
तो मेरी फट गई थी, बट वो आई न्यू आई हैड टू डू दैट बोलकर,
हाँ
so that was the first reality check for me.
Hmm.
Second was the Indian CEO.
Hmm.
I used to always travel with him and go with him for meetings.
What was his name if you?
Krishna Prasad Nadi.
अच्छा
Krishna Prasad Nadi.
हाँ
KP बुलाते थे उनको.
हाँ
So he taught me the basics and etiquettes and how to get a conversion in a meeting. And मैंने उनको देखा ना बॉस, and whenever I used to travel with him also I had a lot of questions. Sir, इधर ही क्यों रुकना है, उधर ही कैसा करना है, इधर ही क्यों मिलना है, ऐसा क्या? Everything I've asked him, the kind of information that he's given me, how to stay, how to interact, where to stay, what to do, कैसा करना है, develop कैसा करना business, close कैसा करना. In the very first meeting, how to just do a closure. In the very first meeting, closure. Never come back out of a meeting until unless you do not have a specific closure or a specific CTA.
Got it.
तो वो सारी चीज उन्होंने मेरे को सिखाए और उसके वजह से आज मैं यहाँ पर हूँ. ऑफ कोर्स देयर हैव बीन अदर जर्नीज आल्सो, माय अदर क्या बोलते हैं मैनेजर्स आल्सो.
हाँ.
माय मैनेजर इन दैट कंपनी आल्सो, एज आई सेड, हिज नेम इज रितेश कुमार.
हाँ
ही आल्सो टॉट मी अ लॉट.
हाँ
He also taught me a lot. He was also a film producer and actor.
Oh,
तो वो थोड़ा सा flamboyance, all of those things also, how to dress up well. So
हाँ.
all of those things also he taught me.
okay.
कि यार presence भी बहुत matter करता है किसी को
Exactly.
मिलते हो. So
हाँ.
that those things came from him. How
हाँ.
to dress up and all that.
हाँ.
Those things. Now my immediate manager at TikTok,
हाँ.
he Clyde Nunes बोलकर नाम था उनका.
हाँ.
He also taught me a lot of things.
हाँ Interesting.
So all of these people have actually been very helpful in contributing to, and my co-founder right now, उसका जो experience था, Venki for that matter,
हाँ
CTO मेरा जो है नमन,
हाँ
he's a Gen Z guy,
हाँ.
90s में born, I mean the 2000s में born and all that,
Okay.
and we are 1980s के चाचा लोग. So
yeah.
he has also taught me of how to interact with his kind of people, I mean his age kind of people and all that. So ये सारा
मिला के
मिलाकर भाई आज जहाँ भी हूँ
Done.
वहाँ पे हूँ. My wife also, of course,
हाँ.
goes without saying.
Yeah,
She's
yeah.
also helped me a lot in improve what I was before. She's transformed me a lot from what I was before.
हाँ
मेरा interaction ना
हाँ
था लोगों के साथ,
हाँ
but I was still a little bit of introvert.
हाँ.
तो जहाँ पर है करना ही है वहीं पे करता था.
हाँ.
जहाँ पर नहीं करना है I didn't care. I never used to interact with those people.
Interesting.
So she opened me कि बस नहीं interact करना है. That is how only you learn about life and
Fair.
people and all.
Fair. I think that's it. Thanks a ton, Atik bhai.
Thanks a lot,
It was
yaar,
so
for
much.
this.
Yeah.
Enjoyed it thoroughly, and I'm sorry for troubling you.
नहीं,
and
नहीं,
making you
it
try.
was my pleasure to meet you.